Let's see why heater not working.
Two, no heat. Says it smells like it's burning. Probably blower motor. Gone bad. Let's open this up and find out. Stay tuned. Open this up and find a gift.
Thanks to last company out here.
Dude,
Free gift.
those out here. Feed. Gracias. Hello, people.
Switching relay installed last summer by other company.
Was installed previously in the summer.
Just the relay on that board.
And bad, which they're known for. Anybody thinking about the heat mode?
I install those to get customer cooling until board comes in.
Send the signal for the blower to turn on. The heat mode is the blue white.
Wait 30 seconds, you'll hear the word click.
Yeah, it's not some voltage.
Testing board to confirm we got voltage coming out of board to turn motor on.
Yeah, the board came from
Yup, new circuit board needed.
Turn this off, so we're gonna shut off on high limit. Let's go. New board needed.
Thank you Johnstone Supply. They had it in stock.
Let's call around, see who has one of those universal boards. Because I'm not getting it from Lennox. Lennox is crazy. I want like $389 for that original OEM board. This will work just fine because it even says it. Says it right there, look at cross rep Lennox right there. Look, Lennox right there. The last one is the one this board has. Well, this unit has. Let's go. Original board. It's aftermarket. Still made by White Rogers. So let's go.
You can clearly see why they had a burnt smell.
You can see where it burnt. Colors look good on the board too when you have problems. Yep, actually happens. Let's go. There was that burnt smell they said. There we go, people.
She's alive again. New circuit board and booms. They good to go.
There it goes. Blower turned on.
Like and follow.